Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Wednesday, September 3rd, 2008. Halcyon Asset Management, the U.S. hedge fund that ended a plan for an initial public offering earlier this year, told its clients that high-profile ex-Goldman Sachs trader Steve Mandis has quit. The Wall Street Journal reports that Mandis, who led a multi-billion-dollar proprietary credit portfolio at the Wall Street Bank, joined Halcyon in October 2004 to help it expand into credit investments. The news comes as two funds managed by Mandis with nearly $1 billion in combined assets, the North American and European Structured Opportunity Funds, have lost about 20% this year. And staying with hedge fund news, Atticus Capital has placed its entire stake in the German exchange Deutsche into a special limited vehicle to stop redemptions by clients and increase its negotiating strength with management. According to Hedge the stake of just over 11% made up almost 1/5 of Atticus's funds under management at the start of the year, but has since halved in value. The losses have caused concern among some Atticus clients who have expressed concern about such a liquid stock being put into a side pocket. And in more hedge fund news, according to The Telegraph, after a company controlled by his hedge fund bought a private company in which he owned a personal stake, Philip Richards, the manager of RAB's Special Situations Fund, has made up to £1 million. Shareholders in AIM-listed Falkland Gold and Minerals, including Richards' Special Situations Fund, which owns a 76% stake, approved plans to buy privately owned Bahamas-based BPC. The deal, known as a reverse takeover, put a price tag of almost £1 million on Richards' personal stake in BPC. And in other hedge fund news, after General Atlantic pulled out its bid for a stake in the handset unit of China's Huawei Technologies Group, led by Bain Capital and Silver Lake Partners, are now leading the bidders. Bloomberg News reports that AEA investors, which had teamed up with General Atlantic, may try to join Bain or Silver Lake. AEA, which counts CV Star and Company and Qatar Investment Authority as partners, is considering pursuing its own bidding group. Offers for the unit of China's biggest phone equipment maker will probably be submitted this month. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.